YouTube videos, then there is a high chance you're doing it to be able to make an income. You want to be able to make money from it. And many new YouTube channels go down that rabbit hole of thinking that the only way to be able to make money from your YouTube channel is to get monetized and make money from AdSense. After all, this is a whole series that I'm creating about my journey to monetizing a small YouTube channel. So it makes sense that a lot of new YouTubers think this is the only option as well. In this video, I want to share with you another way that you can actually make money from YouTube without having to be monetized yet. And over the next few weeks, I'm going to share with you different ways that you can create money from your YouTube channel while you're still working to reach that monetization requirement. And of course, for all you nosy Nellies out there, I am going to show you my analytics from this week, which I do every week, so that you can see how easy or hard it is to be able to reach those monetization requirements for your small YouTube channel. This week, I want to talk to you about affiliate marketing as a source of income for your YouTube channel. Now, affiliate marketing is such a good way for you to be able to make money on YouTube if you haven't reached those monetization requirements yet. Simply by creating an affiliate link to promote products and resources that you recommend to your viewers, you can add these into your description. When people then go and purchase those products, you will earn a commission. This is a great way to be able to supplement your income and be able to keep your channel afloat or generating income for you so you can quit your 9-to-5. There are two different ways to look at affiliate marketing with YouTube, but either way, you're going to want to make sure that you add your links into your YouTube description, and I'm going to share with you exactly how you can set that up so that it automatically happens for every YouTube video you create and you don't have to manually do it every week. The most common way to incorporate affiliate marketing into your YouTube channel is by adding the links into your description for products and services. Now, of course, depending what your niche is, depends what type of products you're going to be able to promote. If you're in the travel niche and use platforms like Booking.com or Klook, it's really easy to find out if they have affiliate programs that you can then add into your links. Unfortunately, Airbnb did end their affiliate program back in March of 2021. So if you use Airbnb and you talk about it, unfortunately, you can't use that for an affiliate link. Amazon affiliate is a very popular option for lifestyle niches. And even if you are in that travel, any type of equipment that you use in your videos, you can find on Amazon. You can add those links into your description and possibly be able to start making an income. The biggest question a lot of people then want to ask is, how do you even find affiliate links for these programs for you to be able to add into your description? And honestly here, guys, Google is going to be your best friend. If we have a look at the travel niche as an example, which makes so much sense for me because I am absolutely travel obsessed, even though my channel has nothing to do with travel. Let's say I use Booking.com a lot and I talk about them in my channel. It makes sense that I would then want to sign up as an affiliate. All you need to do is go into Google and you're going to search Booking.com affiliate program. All right, so we've grabbed our website and all you need to do is scroll down the page and you're going to be able to see information on exactly how their affiliate program works, as well as a button to be able to register. All right, but what if you know your niche, but you don't know what products or services that you could be promoting? Heading back into Google, you're going to type in travel affiliate programs, and then you're going to want to add your country of residence. This is because some affiliate programs are only available in certain countries, so you want to make sure that you're searching what's relevant for you. You're going to find lots of single pages for websites, but I would be looking for those blog posts that offer information in multiple affiliate programs, since it's going to give you the most information in the one area for you to be able to figure out what you should be looking at. Option number 2, when you're looking to include affiliate marketing into your channel, is to create videos specifically for that product or service that you are an affiliate for. The most popular form of content when it comes to this type of video is creating review videos or product versus product videos. This could be where one of those products you are recommending over the other product is the product you're an affiliate for, or even better, be an affiliate for both products. So that way when you talk about two options for people, then you're able to make an income out of both products. Remembering to add all of these links into your description can become so overwhelming when you're trying to get started, and there are so many things you need to remember when uploading anyway. So I want to share with you a way that you can add a default description that will automatically add the links to your description for you every time you go through that upload process for every video. You want to go into your YouTube Creator Studio, over to settings, and then upload defaults. In the description section here, you can add in your affiliate links and any other information that you want to be included in every single video that you don't want to forget. Then when you upload your video, this will automatically be added to your description, and you're going to then, of course, be able to add more information or delete sections that might not be relevant for that video. Before we have a look at this week's analytics, there is one important thing to remember if you are going to be incorporating affiliate marketing into your YouTube channel, and that is having a disclaimer. In your description, you do need to have an affiliate disclaimer. Your disclaimer does not need to be super long, but it should state that you do have affiliate links in your description and that you do receive a small commission on some links provided at no extra cost to the customer. To be monetized for YouTube AdSense, your channel needs to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So let's go have a look at my analytics for this week for my small channel to see how close we are to reaching that. In the last 7 days, we have got 900 views, 34.2 watch hours, and 24 subscribers. Unfortunately, this week, all of my arrows are gray and they are pointing down, and I'm going to put this week as a lower week down to 2 different things. I did only post 1 video this week, and I also didn't get a chance to really reply to all of the comments that I was receiving, which is something I definitely prioritize doing. And I feel like this has decreased the engagement in my videos, which will have been probably a really big effect of why everything's a lot lower this week. It is important to remember though, if you are starting a YouTube channel, that having a low week every now and again is completely normal. And although it can be really hard to not get caught up on these analytics, it's the overall analytics that are more important. So looking at the last 365 days, because that is what monetization is based off, we have 7.2 thousand views, 32.1 watch hours, and a total of 787 subscribers. So even though a low week, we are still going up, getting ever so close to that 1,000 subscriber mark. However, I am not even a quarter of the way to the watch time hours that are required for monetization, which is why you're going to want to start looking at other options to make money from YouTube without solely relying on that monetization of AdSense. We had a look at affiliate marketing today, and next week I'm going to share with you about getting sponsorships for your videos and platforms you can use that are going to help you be able to do this without needing a huge audience.